So just now my group and I were measuring the vegetation variation along a transect, which is about 30 metres long. Yeah, it's been really good, a wee bit rainy, but it's really good to learn about what kind of vegetation we'll see within this area and how we can use that in further projects in life. So the skills that we learn here today we can use anywhere in the world, which is really good for a course like geography because we'll be travelling a lot, hopefully. It's good for things looking at climate and seeing how that impacts vegetation. As well, around here there's a lot of human impact. We were learning earlier about grazing and how that's impacted the area and how taking away grazing has actually made it a more naturalist environment, which is really good for a natural point of view, but as well there's the there's the farmers that had to be moved for all of that, so there's quite a lot of impacts just in this one specific place that we're looking at today.